No, it was an orange. Definitely an orange. It smelled like an orange. It just did not.
It smelled like an orange and it was orange, so.
Must have been an orange.
Okay, well, it's disgusting, and like the people told us these were orange. Like one of the people that worked here too. So it was an orange.
Anybody want to go to the viewing tower? We can look at the dog.
Oh, there's a puppy. It's too much.
What do you mean too much?
All these ramps. This is too much.
Well, what if someone didn't?
Okay, yes.
They want to get like at a decent height before they have to climb. Fuck off! Hey.
There are children. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! Look at the dog. Oh,
Good job.
horsey.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Wow. Am I insane or is this thing battling?
I don't know. Is it? Can you not?
It definitely moved.
Second attempt.
No, because there's some.
Hi, Julian. Oh,
God dang it.
Now
Where's
you-
another stick?
You lost it.
And don't look over the edge.
Yeah.
Go back.
Ah,
Back up.
fuck you,
Go
Aaron.
back the other way. Bad path.
I don't remember. This way.
Oh my god, Garrett.
Is this the way we went? I'm gonna guess.
There we go. We're back.
We're back.
Welcome back to the video.
We're back. Oh, bless.
What does this notice say?
Notice.
Something about alligators.
So this park.
Be aware of their surroundings, avoid the water. Oh, this is over the water. Okay.
Yay.
They're walking sticks on a concrete path.
You look stupid. I hope we see something.
That'd be awesome.
Where?
That's a shell.
That's a shell.
It's a shell.
It's a shell. Get it.
I'm not gonna get it. I want to see the gator in this water. I mean, I won't see him over here in this water in particular.
Yeah, because
But I want to see water.
we could probably go over there.
Oh,
Is that them? Get away! Get away! Go.
this water is not deep at all.
No.
Holy cow, dry season.
Definitely. Because it's winter. It doesn't really like rain much in the winter.
Much.
Because all the rain really stays up north for snow. Do you see anybody? It kind of is, yeah, a little bit. Ah! Oh shit.
You almost dropped your phone.
No, my cord came out of the phone. I'm so scared.
Ooh, bird, 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 bird. Oh, bird. See your hearing?
What?
They definitely don't see us out here.
They
We
should.
can walk right up behind
We're
them.
right there. They should totally see us. Especially me with my phone out.
Get that.
Yeah, let's try. Okay, so we found this huge hole, and we can't go in there because there's spiders and things. Ooh, what the fuck is that tree?
It's incredible.
Ooh. Thank you, Aaron, for a thumbnail.
Looking up, hole in it.
What? Is there anything in it?
Nope. Oh, there's an orange that's rotting away.
That's gross. This is cool.
This is an awesome tree.
Ooh.
You know who I bet didn't see this tree? The girls.
Yeah.
They probably did not see this tree. Not.
What?
This is so good. I'm taking a picture. I never take pictures. I just got to text from somebody. It's probably the girls.
Text or...
No, actual text. There we go. What do you want? It is.
What?
Meet at my car at 5:15. If you aren't there, I'm leaving you.
Oh, damn it. We're lost.
No, we're not lost.
What is it? Let's look at it. Safe. What is it?
Very perfect hole.
Mm-hmm. This is definitely man-made.
Looks a pretty natural circle.
Haha.
I don't know what that is. That might be. I think that might actually be part of the house. A battery.
Battery?
I don't know what that is.
What is it?
Something silver. I'm gonna break my stick.
Could be a bullet.
It's not a bullet. It's way too big to be a bullet.
What is it?
Come on. I want to fill it with water.
Let's put it in the thing.
There you go.
Ew.
More souvenirs. It's a little wet.
It's a little wet. Ooh, what is this for? Was it for the war? The war.
The war. The war, baby. This looks like it was maybe part of a exhibit.
Or a bath.
I think
Because there's a drainage thing right
drainage
there,
hole.
yeah.
Oh, that's a metal pipe too. So that's definitely an old drainage hole. That is a car.
What the fuck? What the fuck is this?
This is totally a car that had a tree fall on top of it. Oh my god, this is amazing.
This
I'm
is so
getting up on top of this. Oh god, I am not. That is very unsturdy. This is sturdy. This is
What? What? Nature boys for the win!
yeah.
Yeah,
Found a car.
found a car.
Oh my god. Garrett, don't die. Don't make me fall off. Just make a noise. I'm gonna have to climb over and then go back.
Aaron, just go back. Just turn
Go back. I
around,
can't
turn
go
around,
back.
turn around, turn around, turn around. Just turn around. I'm gonna just video your falling then.
Video my death as I fall from this tree on top of a car.
Mm-hmm.
Bring it.
Yes. Okay, let's go to this tree.
See what the girls are missing out on?
Oh my god, the girls are missing out on so much. Hold on, we need to take a pause. Here, take this, hold this.
Holding this.
You put your fingers in front of the camera, good job.
I did not. I'm a videographer. I know what
It
I'm doing.
looked like you did. I'm gonna go back on the footage.
You go back in the footage, you do that. I made sure to give you headroom
Into
right
the
now.
bag. That broke it.
Don't break the Coke bottle. It's the coolest thing we've found.
And no, the metal thing is the coolest. Metal thing's the strangest.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah.
Gonna get everything settled.
Dankeschön. Let's keep continuing. What is this?
This is an awesome tree.
Oh.
It's a lookout tower.
There's a lookout tower.
You know where we are. It is 4:52. We have to be back to the car by 5:15. There is a rag out here.
Gross. What does it say?
It's a dog handkerchief. It says love.
That's so
It
cute.
says love. You can hang it up.
The dog died there.
No, my God, no. Get that off of there.
Get
That is not a symbol of anything.
So why is this tree like this? I have questions. Are these roots?
These are branches.
These are
You see
branches?
the branches hang down. Some of them hang straight down.
Yeah, but then they go into the dirt, which
Then
is
they go into-
confusing.
Oh, here's the sacrifice circle.
Sacrifice. Who's being sacrificed?
All right, time is up, Garrett.
No,
Walk this path.
I knew this was my last day on this earth. What?
There's a red ball over there and a can that is completely faded.
A red ball?
I want the red. I want to touch the red ball.
Go for the red ball. Go for it.
Oh, it's a bobber. It's a fishing bobber.
Oh, excellent. You can have that.
Get over here. Actually, I also want to see. No, don't roll away. Come here.
There's another one over there.
Where?
There's two of them. One right there, another one by that tree.
Oh. Come on. There's a slightest little hill right here. Is my phone going off? No, it's someone else's phone.
We see the bobber. It looks like a Pokemon ball.
You know what?
Uh-oh.
Go in.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No snakes.
Panic. Yay. Ooh. I want to go for the other one.
You want to go for the other one?
I
Get
want to go for the other one. Stick, please. Thank you. What?
Don't die.
What? I'm not. I'm not. I'm not.
It's probably 30 times
I broke it. I broke it. I broke it. I broke it.
Definitely 30 times
I'm free.
Careful. Your cypress knees. What did I tell you? Those things will hurt you a lot.
Hurt me.
They will hurt you a lot.
Thank you for watching that video. Now we have more video for you. In this bag are all the treasures that we found. So, you want to pull one out? Sure. Yes. This bracelet, if you can see it, was found by Aaron in the dirt. It's a fishing bobber. What are they used for?
Fishing.
They're
used for fishing. You're welcome.
Another fishing bobber. This one, Pokemon ball styled.
Also used for fishing.
Also used for fishing. Another fishing bobber that is somewhat smaller and a different color red. It's maroon. Also used for fishing. And the final fishing bobber number 4. Also another different shade of red.
Not quite red. This is more of a garnet.
More of a garnet,
It's
yes.
a garnet. Oh. Oh.
The stress ball.
Stress ball.
It's a purple stress ball that I found that y'all saw me try to get. Actually, you didn't, because that's when the video cut out. Because I ran out of storage. You're welcome. It's the shell. It's a purple shell.
Thankfully, there's nothing living inside of it.
This is a Coke bottle. If you can see it, it's right there. It's from 2002, and we found it with liquid still inside of it. Alright, and the final item is the... Yeah, there's a dime in there for some reason.
There's a dime.
A random
You
dime.
did not find the dime in the woods.
This thing. I need to know what this is. I don't know what it is. Is it like a whistle? No.
No, there's only one hole.
What is it?
It's definitely not a whistle.
Is it a bomb?
It might be a bomb.
Is it a bullet? No.
It's definitely not a bullet. I don't know what it is. Thankfully, it does not fit in there. We would have lost it forever.
That would have sucked.
That would have been
It needs to
horrible.
go like this. I don't want to press it anymore.
Great problem.
Yep. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.